guys, it's Anson here from Weekend Garage. Just going to show you guys the new exhaust I got from Flowmaster. Here's the part number, 717915. It's for 2019 plus new bodies. Let's see what's inside the box. Packaged pretty well, nice and solid. Some foam here, inspection date. Here's the exhaust itself. There's the valve mechanism. Looks pretty well built. Packaging's not bad. Let's see how heavy this thing weighs. I can pick it up with one hand, so it's probably like 25, 30 pounds. Here is the bag of electronics. There's the cables, more cables, probably valve motor, zip ties, exhaust clamp, and I believe this is the installation manual. Stickers. Some gaskets of some sort, and yeah. After taking the bag apart, what's included is a radio receiver for your valve control, wiring harness, and a exhaust clamp. It's a bunch of zip ties and stuff, screws, all that. And then, so let's talk about the important factor here, which is the motor. Here's what it looks like. I actually brought my BMW valve controller for comparison. Here's the BMW one. It's an OEM part compared to the Flowmaster. As you can see, it's pretty similar. The BMW one's more well built. Just feels more solid in hand. But this was the decision-making factor for me. I wanted something of quality. I didn't want it to break and rattle on me. And the Beamer one never failed, so, and this looks similar. So I thought I'd purchase this for that reason. Pretty similar. And the remote controllers, they're not bad. Feels pretty solid. Reminds me of the IPE ones. And also another factor as in why I chose this one was it's one click fully open and one click fully closed. Unlike the QTP and the other ones where you have to hold the valve and the remote and stuff, just it looks really half-assed, and I don't want to put random stuff on the truck, so yeah. This one comes with a plate as well. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos to come.